Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you as a beginner how you can use CapCut excellently well. I'm going to be showing you 17 things that you can do on CapCut. Yes, 17 things that you can do. So make sure that you watch this video to the end because I'm going to be taking it step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to download the CapCut app. So I already have the CapCut app here on my phone. So I'm just going to click on it and this is what you're going to be seeing. So the first thing I want to show you in this video is one, how to add videos. So how to add videos on CapCut, where you see this new project, you just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you to the videos that are already on your phone. All you need to do is to now scroll down to the particular video that you want to be using and you are just going to click on it. So I'm just going to click on this video and I'm going to click on add. If you want to add more than one video, you can just click on all the videos that you want to be using and you are going to click on add. For the sake of this particular video, I'm just going to use this one video now and I'm just going to click on add. So maybe when you have added the video, you now remember that, oh, there is a video you would like to add again. All you need to do is to click on this white plus sign that is showing here. Once you click on it, it will take you back to this page where you can now choose the particular video that you want to add. So that being said, now we've come to our project. So the next thing I want to do now is to show you how to split your videos and how to delete parts that you don't want in the video. So let me play this video so that you can see. What I will do is to click on this frame. Once I click on it, can you see that it's been highlighted? This white thing shows that yes, this particular video, the frame has been highlighted. So what I do that, I'm just going to click on split. I'm just going to click on split, and when you click on split, it will split out the video. So you can now click on that frame that you don't need. When you click on it, you come down to this section and you click on the part that says delete, and that part is already deleted. So that's how to split and delete your videos. Let's do it again. You click on it. When you get to the part where you don't need, you click on the frame. When you get to the part that you don't need, you click on split. You click on that frame that you don't need again, then you click on delete. So that is how to delete unwanted videos from your main video. So the next thing I want to be showing you now is how to add text to your video. So you come over down to this place that says text, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you to add text. Either add text, auto caption, text template. For this video, we're going to be adding text. So when you click on add text, you can now write whatever thing you want to write. Let me just write something. YouTube video. So this is what I've written. Now you can go ahead and play around with this particular text that you've written. So for example, if after writing the text you see that your video has come back to this place, all you need to do is to click on the screen. It will take you back to where you can edit your text. For this part where it says fonts, this is where you can decide the kind of font that you want. Although we have some fonts that are in the pro version, but you have a lot of free fonts that you can actually use. This is luxury, this is Facon, there are a lot of fonts. So I'm just going to settle with luxury. So coming over to the style, the way you want the text to appear. This, do you want it to appear like this? Do you want it to be yellow background? Do you want it to be red? So this is where you just play with the color, how you want your text to practically be. If you want it to have a background, the color of the background, a lot of things that you can actually do. And so if you also want to move the text, move it to a particular location or make it small or big, you just put your hand on your screen and drag it to where you want it to be. If you want to reduce it, you just pinch your screen in, like do as if you're pinching your screen and increasing it, something like this. Do you get? So that's how you can reduce the size of that particular text and put it in whatever location that you want it to be. So that is that for the text. So now before we move on from the text, if you would like to add animation to your text, let me show you how to do that. So you click on the frame, click on the screen, it will bring you back to this place. So you just come over to this place and click on animation. Animation it just has to do with how the text will appear. For example, there are pro versions here, but let's just go for the free version. This one, if we use this one, can you see how the text is going to appear? It's not just going to appear once, it's going to come in style depending on how you want it. This is another one. Look at how this one looks like. If you want to increase the timing, you don't want the animation to be too fast, you just drag this part and you see that it's going to take more time for the animation to be complete. So that is how that part works. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how to add captions to your video. For example, you have a video that you want what you're saying to also be written out, and you don't want to have to do the job of writing it out. So all you have to do is click on text. When you click on text, to bring you back to this page, and you just click on auto caption, click on generate, and you give it time while CapCut now generates the caption for you. So the caption has been generated, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is very amazing. So right now I'm going to be showing you the next thing, which is how to remove noise from your video. If you listen to this video, I'm sure you might be hearing some sound here and there. My fan was actually on the day I was creating this video, but I was not bothered because I know that CapCut will help me eventually reduce the noise. So the next thing you want to do to be able to remove noise from your videos, maybe where you recorded the video was quite noisy, so all you need to do is click on the frame of the video, then you come down to this part and scroll all the way down. You keep scrolling, then you see where it says reduce noise. So all you have to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on this part that says reduce noise, then you click on this mark. So if you click on it, you can hear the difference, that is not as noisy as it was before. There is now a change. So that is how to remove noise on video. The next thing is how to increase volume. For example, maybe you don't have a mic and you want to create videos. Mic should not stop you from creating the video. So all you need to do, if you want to increase the volume of your videos, maybe you feel like the volume was too low, you click on the frame, you scroll again to the side. When you come to this part that says volume, you click on it, then you increase the volume of the video whichever way you want.
So I know this is probably not the first time
the volume is louder than what it was before, so that is how to increase the volume of your videos. So now going over to how to add overlay. So for example, there is a particular screen you want to add. There is, maybe you are talking and you're trying to show people a screen while you are talking, so that's the overlay. So all you need to do is to come to this down part, don't click on the frame, just come over to this part and click on overlay. When you click on overlay, to say add overlay, so all you need to do is to come to your video, or whether it's a picture you want to add, whether is, you can come over here and add like a stock video where you have like a plain stuff like this. So what you need to do is just click on add. When you click on add, can you see that the overlay is already on the video? So now you can now decide to shrink, zoom in, zoom out, depending on how you want the overlay to take over the size of the video. So me, I don't want it to be too big, so I'm just going to shrink it, then drag it to a side. Do you understand? If for example it's a picture you want to add to the video, all you need to do is to come here, click on add overlay, come to your photos and add the photo that you want, then click on add. So this is how it's going to look like, guys. This is actually how it's going. So you can reduce, increase however you want it to be. Delete this one, maybe because you're not pleased with how it came. Just click on it, then come here and click on delete. So that being deleted. For example, you want a page to overshadow your voice while it's talking in the background. This is a beautiful way. You just zoom out and that is it.
Like this.
Let's check it out.
YouTube,
so you can see it's still going to be talking underneath, but it's another picture that's going to be showing at the top. But if you don't want it to be like this, you can just zoom in and take it to a side, and that is how to add your overlay. Next thing I want to show you is how to add transition to your video. Maybe at this point you like to make a transition. So all you need to do, if you check between where you splitted the video, you can see a white mark. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you over to this page where you can now choose whatever where you want the transition to be. So if I choose this one, I can actually increase it. Then I will click on this mark. So if you, let's go back and play it. So can you see, although it's not very obvious, let's try again. Let's try this particular one. So let me just play it so you can see how it looks like. So can you see? So that is how to add transition to your videos. So the next thing I want to show you is how to add sound to your video. So maybe, for example, you're trying to create a video and you want to add sound to the video. What you will do is to come over to this. Don't click on the frame of the video. Don't click on the frame. Don't click on the frame of the video. Just come down and click on the part that says audio. Then click on the part that says sound. Click on the part that says sound. You have option of choosing from the sounds that are here on the app. But if you also want to import from your phone, maybe you have a particular sound, you can just click on this part and it will click on device. Then you can extract from your device. So you just click on select from device and it will take you to your device where you can now add a sound. Mind you, you can also add voiceover to your videos. All you need to do is to click on this part that says voiceover, then click on this middle part and you can start recording your voiceover. So maybe you don't like the voiceover and you want to delete it, you can just click on it and click on delete. If you made a mistake by deleting something, you can come over to this arrow that is facing the left and click on it. It's going to undo what you have done. So that is how to do that. So I am just going to be adding a sound because I want to show you something else. I'm going to add the sound. So for example, you would like to also split the sound. All you need to do is to come over to the sound and take it to the part you want to split and click on split. If you don't need the other part, you can just click on delete. So that's how to add sound and how to cut sound on CapCut. So the next thing I want to show you is how to add filter to your videos. So for example, you don't like the way this video is looking. All you do is click on the frame of the video. You come down and click on this part that says filter. When you click on filter, it will show you different options. Then you can play around, look for the one that you want to use for the video, the one that will suit your videos. When you're done, you click on this mark sign and it will automatically apply on the particular video that you want it to be. How do you increase the speed of your videos? For example, maybe you want to increase a particular part of the video. Let me just split the video at this point. So I've splitted it and I want I want the speed of this particular one to be very fast. So I'll just come down to this place that says speed, click on normal and just increase the speed. It will automatically be very fast. But if I don't want to just increase the speed like that, I can also play around with it. I can also come to this place that says curve, and I can also, if you click on it, you can listen to this one. It's quite funny, but that's how to do it. Then you click on this mark, it automatically apply. But if you don't want to apply the speed again, just click on the video, come over to the place that says speed, come over to curve and just scroll down to this side that says none. Click on none and it will automatically remove it. Then click on mark. Make sure that you mark that place, because if you don't mark it, it's like you're not saving the action that you've already done. So you may be worried saying that, okay, I'm creating this video for Instagram, I'm creating this video for YouTube, TikTok and what have you. So all you need to do is to come over to this space that says aspect ratio, and then you can now choose whatever frame you want, whether for TikTok, whether for YouTube, whether for Instagram, and whatever the case may be. So for me, I'm just going to leave at 16:9 because I know that is YouTube's dimension. So I hope you've gotten value so far in this video. I really do hope you're going to put into practice some of the things that I've taught you in this video. If you have any question, please do well to leave a comment in this comment section for me, and I will attend to all of them. So finally, how do you now download your videos? Come over to this topmost section, click over on this arrow, then from there you can now export. But if you don't want to export immediately, maybe you want to do something, just come over to this place that says 1080p. That is where you can now play with the dimensions, resolution, how you want the rate to be, and all of that. But if you are a new beginner, you don't have to bother yourself with all of these things. I promise you the video will still come out well. So just click this place and then it will export the video to your phone. I hope you got value. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.